Hey, Dana, and welcome to Searching For. Sort of behind the scenes because I'm just going to be practicing. I'm not going to be actually searching yet. And it's time to open the. This is a chest caddy for this camera that you're watching me through. So I decided to finally unbox it. We're going to go down and put the Power Vision, or yeah, Vision Power Ray in the water today. And I think I'll just go ahead and use this chesty instead of putting you on my head. There's a quick disconnect. There's the actual chest pad. Interesting. All right, there you go. Right now, there's a chesty, isn't it? You can put it through here over your head, right? Wow. Very nice. Okay, so now this goes on here like so. We're going to put you on another view. Guess it really doesn't matter. I guess it could be up. Up to the bottom. Up to the bottom or on top. Oh, hey, I like that. All right. That works. And then that, and then you gotta have the screw. All right. And that's already got the cover on it, which you already see. This is inside something else. Right. It's going to be up facing, kind of like this. If you put it up here, it's probably going to be out right under your chin. So I believe we're going to go up like this. Has kind of got me dumbfounded. Oh, okay. Let's pull that. That locks it. You got this little rubber thing. Push it down. That's going to lock it. You shut down on me. Okay. Yep. This locks it. This little thing here. So pop that up. It should slide in now. Yep. Exactly. And then you. Oop. And then you're going to push this down. And that's going to lock it in. There we go. And then we're going to put you on here. And then we're going to twist that on. And now you're going to have a front view in front of me. Hands free. I don't have to worry about it on my head. Also, it's going to make it better for you viewing the sonar system. And there we go. So that is the unboxing of the GoPro. And this is the Go Pro Chesty Performance Chest Mount. So it's good for, you know, skiing or riding a bike or searching for. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. and you'll catch me on the next Searching for Behind the Scenes.